Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As many of you already know, Pastor Gino Jennings has recently been traveling internationally, continuing to preach the gospel in various parts of the world. Following the release of the official announcements, he was scheduled to visit the Philippines and preach at Sequoia Hotel Manila Bay in Parañaque City. In preparation for his visit, the brothers and sisters carried out street promotions throughout the area, spreading the word that the apostle would be coming to the Philippines. It was truly a beautiful sight to witness the extended family of the Truth of God Fellowship actively supporting the effort, placing posters on motor vehicles and in various public locations throughout the streets as they invited others to attend the services. As anticipation continued to build among the Filipinos people awaiting the apostle's arrival, the long-awaited day finally came when Pastor Jennings arrived in the Philippines. From all indications, he received a very warm and enthusiastic welcome upon his arrival. Let us now take a look at the video capturing when he was at the airport in the Philippines.
Greetings, Pastor Gino Jennings! Yes, Pastor Gino! Yes! Greetings, Pastor Gino! Welcome! We have here fruits. We have here fruits for you.
So you saw the warm and heartfelt reception the Filipinos gave the apostle. It is understandable why they were so excited, because for many of them, they had only ever watched him preach through a screen. Now, to finally have him there with them in person must feel like a dream come true. I am truly grateful that he received such a sincere welcome, especially considering the difficult season he is presently enduring, following the passing of his beloved mother, our dear Mother Jennings. In times like these, witnessing the love, appreciation, and support of the people can serve as a great source of encouragement and strength. It is uplifting to see how deeply the brethren value both him and the work he continues to carry forward.
So that is where we will bring this video to a close. We thank God for allowing our pastor to arrive safely in the Philippines, and we are looking forward to a great victory as he ministers the word to the Filipinos. Until next time, everyone, peace be unto you.